Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for eToro. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for eToro, tap open your eToro app from the app drawer. If you already have an existing account, you can type in your username or your email address followed by a password at the top and tap on the sign in button. But in case you've not registered or signed up for your eToro account yet, you can do this by following the simple step. Tap the sign up link at the bottom, right where it says don't have an account. Now, you can create an account by signing up with your Apple, with your Google, or your Facebook account. You can also create a username and register with an email as well. In my case, I'm gonna choose the username option, so right where it says username, go ahead and type in the username you'd like to sign up with. While choosing a username for yourself, make sure to choose a unique username, otherwise you won't be able to create a new account. Once the username is valid, move on to the next field where it says email, and now type in an email address that you would like to associate with for eToro. Once you provide an email address, create a new password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure to use at least 8 to 32 characters long password. It must include a number with either uppercase letter or symbol. Once you create a strong password for yourself, you can double check by tapping on the show link at the right corner. Now, accept the eToro's terms and condition by tapping on both of the boxes at the bottom and finally tap on create account. Go through the verification puzzle and prove that you are a human being and tap next. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify the email address that you register with. To do that, simply open up your email inbox and you should receive an email from eToro. Tap on the email and verify your email by tapping on verify button. Open up with a web browser. Go ahead and complete your profile by answering some of the questions, and once you do that, you'll be able to create a new account or sign up for eToro. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.